Hey guys, I'm gonna tilt that down a bit so we can actually see me here. Okay, so last night I was on YouTube and just kind of watching videos and all this stuff, and I came across this makeup artist named Jaclyn Hill. And she has this video. It's a how-to video on an easy smoky cat eye look, and I'm going to attempt to go step by step with her as I watch the video. And with my bangs, I already know I'm going to want to put them back. So I'm going to actually grab this. And this will just hold my hair back and out of my face while I do this, because why not, right? Okay, I think of everything I need. I'm going to be doing mine with palette 3. This is palette 3, right? Yes, it's palette 3. Sorry, I'm still not fully awake, and I've been awake for a while now. Trying so hard. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and get this video started.
Hello, my little chickadees. How are you today? I'm kind of impressed.
Okay,
I know it's very strange right now. That is because I just have on a full face of foundation, bronzer, and brows, and then gloss.
I have no idea how I'm gonna do this.
My face, like the powder's all over my eyelashes. My eyelashes look blonde. I know I look very.
I just realized something. I should probably prime my eyes first. Because, like, she's, like, literally, like, set to go. And if I remember correctly, she literally dives right in with the shadow. And I don't want to do that. I want to prime my eyes first. So I'm going to do that.
Look, I'm going to be using the Morphe 25A palette.
She uses a lot of Morphe. I hit a lot of
bunch
Morphe.
of shimmers and mattes. For today's look, I'm just going to be using the matte browns and the matte black. Then the two brushes that I'm going to mainly be using on my lid are my Ride or Dies recently. This one right here I have been using
the main brushes.
This is the Morphe M433. You have the MAC 217. It's like basically the same thing. And then this one
I have one that's similar to that.
06, which I have recently fallen in love with. I mentioned it in a tutorial a couple videos ago, and I have not put it down since. Like, it is just the best brush for like precision blending. You'll see as I do this video. That is a zoom. Like, that is a zoom. You can see my smile lines. Hey.
I wish I had her energy.
With the M433
Oh
by
my
Morphe,
gosh.
this is the fluffy natural hair. So this is going to
Let's
apply
take forever.
whatever product you pick up in a much
Probably
more
get my
sheer
palette,
wash
though,
effect.
because
If you go in with a synthetic hair, which looks like this, which would be black typically, that's going to apply more generous amount of product. So that's why we're going to start off with a natural hair synthetic brush, because it's going to apply the least amount of product. And I'm going to start off by going in my crease area. So I'm going to pick up, I know this is crazy, but I usually pick up all 3 of these shades. So it doesn't really matter. Just pick one, pick the other one. You can go with all 3, but these 3 middle shades right here are like my favorites because they're very similar, but yet different at the same time.
Okay, so she's doing hers with, like, brown shades. I'm going to do mine with more purple shades. So I'm going to do Flippant here from palette 3. So just so everybody knows what I'm doing here.
So I just kind of take my brushes kind of like amongst all of them. But any like medium tone, neutral brown will do the trick for this look. So I'm just going to take that. I'm going to initially place my brush right on the outer corner of the eye right here. And I'm going to just begin to put that in the crease area. For this look, we're going to kind of create like a cat eye essentially. So I don't want to put a ton of product on the inner corner of the eye. I want to leave that pretty nude and blank. I want basically everything to be on the outer corner. So we're going to start in here. As you can see, I'm not starting as high as normal. Normally I start like all up in here, my crease, and I start with like a longer hair brush. Not today. I'm going to keep it nice and low because I don't
Doing my
want
best
this
here.
eye look to go up too high, like towards the brow. I want to keep it kind of down here a little bit. Blended. I just always make sure that everything is blended every step of the way before I move on to another color.
Alright, so basically we're just mixing it inward, and then we're not doing the inner corners. It's basically what I just saw her doing, but we are working it through the crease. For me, this is going to look horrible. I'm not good with this stuff. I watched this last night, and when she was done, I was like, oh my god, that looks so good. Why can't I do stuff like that? And this is why. Because I have horrible coordination. Horrible coordination. Okay. Should probably put some on my other eye now, right? I feel like my eyelid is doing a dance beneath my brush. No, don't do that. My computer's like falling asleep. Okay, so now, just for the fun of it, because I know I am bad with blending, I'm just going to lightly go through. Okay, I'm blended. Let's continue.
Or another brush, just make sure that everything is smooth, because that's the way you really achieve a flawless looking eye, is just to blend every single step as you go.
Got it.
Alright, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab some translucent powder, and this is the RCMA No Color Translucent
powder.
Okay.
Let me grab mine real quick, and then did not want to come out, but we're good. We got it.
Package. And then I'm going to pick up this brush. You guys, I cannot live without this brush. And it's
so I don't have the brush that she's using. It's like really, really thin and long. So I'm going to use this contour brush here to do this. Hey, Shauna.
Translucent powder. Any translucent powder will do. Tap off the excess. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to create the shape that I want to have on my eyeshadow. If you want to have like a really intense, like cut eyeshadow, you can do that. You can make whatever shape you want.
Okay, so we are doing this. And apparently we're not going directly up against. Yeah, I just discovered her videos yesterday. Oh my god, why? Oh, never mind. It's not who I thought it was. Anyway, so she doesn't go up against the bottom waterline. Really? You did? I have to Facebook stalk you now and go and see which one you did. She does like this stamp thing off to the side with the translucent powder. And I don't know if you can hear her video or not, but she explains why. Yeah, I saw a bunch of, like, I think I watched like 3 or 4 of her videos last night. And I was like, I need to try at least one of these. So I decided to do the easy smoky cat eye look thing. But she takes translucent setting powder and she like stamps it here. But she doesn't go up against down here because, yeah. So she does it like that to create like the kind of cat eye-ish line. So I'm going to take my mirror here and we're going to do this. This is not going to look good, but we are doing it anyway. Okay, so here. I don't have a very good brush for this particular thing. I think I did it too close, actually. We are going to brush that away and try again. Because I am horrible. I need a different brush to do this with, I think. Either that or I need to do it like more with the side or something. I don't know. Tap off any excess. There, we'll do that. How's that? Yeah? No? Maybe? What's up?
you live?
Yes, what's up?
Okay, I'm just making lunch.
Okay, well, I'm hungry too. Make me food. Hello?
What?
This looks ridiculous, I know. Make me food.
I'm making your food.
Yay, I get food. I do something ridiculous with my makeup and I get food. Oh, God, no. That is a big fat no. Oh, my gosh. How does she do this? I need a different brush. That's it. I need a different brush. This is not working out. Mayday. Mayday. I need... Ooh, I know what kind of brush I can use. Haha. I'll just collect from here. I'm using the liner side of my liner shader brush, and that will keep the line a bit, you know, better. And so she was saying to stamp it. This is not going to work out for me today. You know what? Screw it. We'll go back to the original brush. I'm not having any luck. I need to get a brush specifically for this because this is not working out for me at all. There we go. Trying to tap off the excess and it's like not coming off. There, we'll just do that. That will have to do because I don't want to sit here fighting with translucent powder for, you know, ever. Okay, my hand is shaking. I have to put my mirror down. Okay. I have translucent setting powder under my eye now. So this is cool. I'm actually going to go ahead and put some more here because I'm super, super messy. So that is actually why she does it, is so if she has any fallout, she can actually just brush it away with the setting powder. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do that now. If I remember correctly, this step actually comes a little bit later, but I'm doing this now to get it done and out of the way. Here we go. After I put in my password again. Okay.
And I'm gonna just stamp it right back like that. And this is just a small observation. As you
I need a thinner brush for that part.
That translucent powder and touch it all the way like to my actual lower lash line. Do you see that? How it's not actually touching right here in this section? The reason I leave that blank is because at one point after we get done with the upper lid, I'm going to take this brush and I'm going to go down in this area, and I don't want that translucent powder to get in the way, so it's not actually touching my actual like eye.
I'm ready for the next step.
This trick is just something that I came up with and created one day when I was doing my makeup because I love that like kind of whoosh, that like smoked out cat eye. But I know my strengths and I know my weaknesses, and it's just something that I cannot achieve on my own. So I just created this technique to make it easier for myself, and I'm telling you, it is like smoky cat eye for dummies. Alright, so I'm going to pick up this brown right here on that small precision brush now, and I'm going to just begin to take this right along. I feel like I'm so crooked, like the camera just like come over to there. That's better. So I'm just going to take this and begin to create like that dark brown smokiness, and I want to keep this like low down at the lash line.
Okay, so she wants to keep it low down at the lash line. Got it. So I'm going to go in with a darker purple called Cheeky. And she was saying keep it low down at the lash line, so down here.
And then slowly bringing it upward. I'm actually going to take some translucent powder really quick on...
Ha! This is the part where she puts it completely under her eyes. Oh.
In case I get really messy with my eyeshadow and have like a ton of fallout, I can just sweep it away.
Meanwhile,
one quick swoop and it will be totally gone. Alright, so we are just sticking right there on that lash line, and we're going to get that lash line nice and dark, just on the outer corners, going back and forth, as you can see. And then I'm going to just slowly kind of flick it out towards
oh, now we're flicking it.
powder that I have there.
My flicking action is not strong.
Slightly creating a little line. Nothing intense or scary.
Yeah, okay.
I'm going to go back in with the original brush, and I'm going to just go right over top of that. There's nothing on that brush right now at all. It's totally naked.
Another brush and going over it, apparently.
I'm just going over all of that. I'm going to pick up just a little bit more of that original color that I went in with in the lower crease, and I'm just going to use that to go right over top.
Original color, so for me that'd be flippant.
Now I'm just going to repeat the same steps on the other eye. Apply, blend, repeat. So the trick when you...
Okay, so... Other eye. So staying low to the lash line. I have no idea what I'm doing. Naked! Yep. Staying close down to the lash line. And slowly working it up. And apparently we're doing a flick. My flicking action is not strong.
Lunch is ready.
Okay, I'll be there in just a couple minutes. This is like horrible for me. And then we're going over it a little bit with the lighter one. I just feel like this is not something that's going to work out for me very well. I have no idea. I am curious as well.
You begin to like swoop out this dark shadow is to not have too much on your brush. Like you don't want to go in and touch the product and have fresh shadow on there and then start swooping it out, because it will get messy very, very quickly because you'll have too much product. You want to go in with just a little bit of product on that brush and begin to sweep it outward. Again, I'm going to grab this brush, go over the entire thing to blend it out. As you can see, I'm leaving this inner corner like literally blank. Completely blank, but I love the way it looks without putting like a matte shadow there or anything, because it just gives it like a sultry kind of sexy natural.
Me too. I'm so
like,
hungry.
Obviously, a smoky eye doesn't look like you roll out of bed, but it just gives it more like a runway smoky eye. Have you ever noticed how when you look at like models and magazines and Vogues, like their smoky eyes are rarely perfect? Like they kind of have like a grungy, more just like thrown on look. That's kind of the vibe that I'm going for with this makeup look. Okay, so now we're going to go in with the black right here. Just this matte
I feel like
black
this looks pretty grungy on me.
There we go. That matte black.
Okay, now we're going with
there.
black.
The exact same small synthetic brush that we've been working with the entire time. And I'm going to just put it right here in the outer corner.
I just grabbed the wrong brush.
I'm not going to bring this in really far. I'm not going to bring it up
Okay, hang on. I gotta find the other brush. There we go. Okay, found it.
I want to keep this nice and low, because this is going to be the thing that's actually going to open up our eyes, believe it or not, because when you do a smoky eye, sometimes you can get like that closed eye effect, but when you put black on the outer lash line, on the upper and lower lash, it's going to give you that more like open almond effect. Does that make sense? Like it's going to take your eyes from this to like this. It's going to like make the outer corner like boop, pop open.
Okay. Are we blending this anytime soon, or?
And just really lightly, of course, once there's basically no product left on that brush, flick it out. Just like that. Okay, so now that I have the black on there, I'm going to go over it again with the exact same original brush. Blend everything out. There's nothing on this brush again. It still is totally bare. I'm just going over everything. And what I love about the smoky eye is, even though we have all of the edges blended, there's still something about it that looks slightly messy, and I just like it because it just gives like a
And then
sexy,
the original
sultry vibe. Oh, the magic of translucent powder. after I wiped away that translucent powder on my lower lash line, do you see how I have some darkness down there? That is because when I originally went in with this brush, I didn't put it on the actual lower lash line like I was saying.
You're going ahead of me! Okay, I'm gonna grab my blending brush because this is just ridiculous. Okay, and then she wiped away the powder that was supposed to create that line. Look at that! That did not work out for me. Oh my gosh. Okay, so we're going to do a little cleanup there. Yeah, this did not work out. Oh my god. Like, what is that? This is why I said I need a different brush for this. For the setting powder trick that she does, I need a totally different brush for it. It's horrible. Okay.
Earlier, I put it right underneath and then stamped it
I'm
up.
gonna do this anyway.
Because now I have this like natural connect that happens right there between the lower and the upper. I'm just gonna go in and just define that even more.
Which
So
one?
now I'm
This
gonna take
one?
the same brush we've been working with the whole time. I just kind of wiped it off a little bit on a paper
Where is
towel.
that one? One or two?
Yes, I use my sweatpants, but it's totally fine. And then I'm going to grab any of these products, any of these shadows right here in the center, and I'm going to begin to blend those out on the lower lash line. So I'm going to start on the outer corner because that's where I want the most.
I'm gonna go with the
emphasis
purple
to be
one.
on the lower lash line, and I'm going to just connect the lower lash line to the upper. As you can see, it basically already is because of how I applied the translucent powder in the first place. But I'm just going to begin to connect that even more. And then whatever is left on the brush, I'll just kind of lightly bring it into the inner corner, but not too much because I want that inner corner of the eye to be pretty blank. Now, something that I will do if I want this to be really structured is I'll kind of just go ham in here, and then I'll go back with this brush a second time. I don't always do this, but sometimes I will, to just really clean all of that up and make it look super duper connected. This is not necessary, but if you just want to be like a crazy perfectionist, which I usually am, I will do this. And then I'm going to go in with a Morphe gel liner. I swear to God, this video is not sponsored by Morphe. At this moment, I'm just...
Oh, there we go. I could have done it like this, like sideways.
Whatever. From Morphe. Well, that's not true.
I don't care anymore.
This is their gel liner in the shade Slate. It's just a black one. It's very, very black and very, very creamy. So I'm just going to take...
So I don't feel comfortable putting gel or creams on my... And I need to finish this eye over here. Got like one eye and was like... I need to connect. I guess this is not going well for me. Okay, there. I connected. We're gonna do the cleanup thingy. There. Clean up. No, yeah, she did the underwater line with the gel, and I'm sitting here thinking, yeah, I can't do that. So I'm gonna use my pencil liner for that part, because that part, it scares me. Like, I'm like, oh. But yeah, so I'm gonna do mine with pencil. At least the water line I'm doing with pencil. Alright, got my water line done. Oh my god. Hashtag not today. Yeah, pretty much. Okay.
Take that on a small liner brush
Do
and
this.
apply it on my inner waterline. You can use just a regular cold liner.
It's not going on my waterline.
But recently I've just done this. I don't know why. It just seems to be really, really fast and really, really black, and it doesn't fade. So now I'm taking that.
I just realized I don't have my the brush that I normally would use for liner. Got it. Ow, that hurt. Okay, so I have the brush that I would normally use. I normally use my brow artist brush because it's the thinnest brush that I have. And then I'm going to use a Splurge Cream Shadow in Magnificent.
And I'm going to just kind of on the outer corner of the lower lash line only. I'm going to kind of smudge it down just a little.
Okay, so I'm going to use the other side.
Pressing it down into that lash line because I want it to be like way darker and black.
Okay, so apparently we are putting this right in the corner here beneath the lash line and just kind of smudging it around a bit. That was basically what I got from that. We were smudging liner in the lash line in the corner. Okay.
On the outer part of the eye. I'm going to grab just like a definer brush like this. It's the Morphe 432. Oh my god, it's like I don't have any other brand. Here, I have a Sigma one. This is the E15. It's the same one, but that's my concealer brush that I use for my brows. And I'm going to just go in with a little bit more of that black, and I am going to just only on the outer portion of the eye. I am not going to drag it in far to the center of my eye. I'm just keeping it right there on the outer portion. I'm gonna just shimmy that brush back and forth just to darken and smoke out that black. I'm gonna do that same thing on the upper lash line as well, just right here on the outer edge. I'm just gonna take that brush and just really get that outer corner nice and black, just because. Okay, let's just remove any extra.
Okay, whoa, hang on. You're going a little fast for me. I am not that talented or that quick. Okay, so we are actually going to have to go back a few seconds here. Let's try this again, shall we?
Just shimmy that brush back and forth just to darken and smoke out that black. I'm going to do that same thing on the upper lash line as well, just right here on the outer edge. I'm just going to take that brush and just really get that outer corner nice and black, just because. Okay, let's just remove any extra translucent powder that we have. I'm going to be using the L'Oreal Voluminous Carbon Black Mascara. Oh my gosh, I almost just stabbed myself in the eye. And I'm going to do...
Okay. We're getting rid of the translucent powder. This is not a good look for me. Oh my god. No. Nope. 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 Okay, and then apparently we're doing mascara. Is that what we're doing now? We're doing mascara now. Just got setting powder all over my hands. Alright. So now we're doing mascara. And halfway through I realized that I really didn't need to do the mascara part, but we're doing this. Okay, so side note, for the flicking action, I should have used a different brush. Second side note, I need to get a different brush, maybe one that's more flat, not necessarily curved or rounded out, something that's like just straight edge you know, a little on the thick side so I can do the stamping part of this a bit more accurately than I did anything else. Other than that, this video is incredible. I'm just horrible with what I do, so. Okay, so I'm gonna attempt to actually get the rest of this powder. Ah, thank you. I try. I'm really not that amazing, but yeah, thank you. I appreciate the compliment. But yeah, so that is my easy smoky cat eye look step for step with Jaclyn Hill's video. Did not turn out as amazing as hers did, probably because I used literally 2 of the wrong brushes. The first wrong brush was for like the blending not necessarily the blending action, but she had this brush and then another one that had like the black bristles on it. It was similar in shape to this, but yeah, I don't know. I probably actually could have just used this one and been fine, but I didn't really do that. I kept trying to, like for the flicking action, I bet you anything this brush would have been better. I just used a bad brush for flicking and it did not work out that well, so yeah, I'm sad. Okay, well, I'm going to go ahead and just grab this serendipitous lip stain because why not? Because now I've done a look using the Kudos. Yay! For palette 3 and serendipitous lip stain. Alright, so that was fun, you guys. Thanks for hanging out with me and watch me hopefully come close. Yeah, so, yeah. Yay! Alright, you guys, I'm gonna go. Thank you guys for hanging out with me. Mwah. I love you guys. If you have any questions about any products that I use, please let me know. I'll see you guys later. Bye!